Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the cell that shows the hash spill error. That marks the intended spill range. First, clear any obstructing values, merged cells, or formatting in the adjacent grid. Those are the most common causes. Next, make sure the formula you used returns an array, for example, filter or unique. Once done, re-evaluate the formula. Excel will attempt to spill again. If it still fails, check sheet protection and table boundaries. Those can silently block spills. Now you focus on the formula itself. If you expected one value but Excel returns a spill, use the @ operator to force implicit intersection. That tells Excel you want a single item. Alternatively, use index your formula, 1 to take the first element. This avoids unwanted arrays. For dependent formulas, reference the spilled range using the hash operator, for example A1 hash. Once you update the formula, press enter and watch the result. If it changes, confirm downstream formulas still behave as intended. To finish, make sure your worksheet layout supports spilling. Tables block vertical spills, so remove or adjust them if necessary. Use IFR around your formulas to catch transient errors and display a helpful message. This is not a fix for blockage, but it improves UX. If a spill still refuses to appear, inspect sheet protection, merged cells, and named ranges that overlap the target area. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily clear the entire expected spill area. If the array appears, reintroduce elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.